How to fix error code 202 on Samsung TV. Error code 202 on a Samsung TV typically means there is a network or internet connection issue. Specifically, the TV is having trouble connecting to Samsung servers or the internet itself. Step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Check internet connection. Go to Settings, General, Network, Network Status. See if the TV is connected to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If it's not, try reconnecting to your network. Settings, General, Network, open Network Settings. Step 2. Restart TV. Router, unplug the TV from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Restart your router modem. Unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Step 3. Set DNS manually. Go to Settings, General, Network, Network Status. Select IP settings. Set DNS to manual. Enter 8.8.8.8, Google DNS, or 1.1.1.1, Cloudflare DNS. Press OK and test connection. Step 4. Check for software update. Settings, Support, Software Update, Update Now if you're not connected to the internet. Try a USB update via Samsung's website. Step 5. Factory Reset Network Settings. Go to Settings, General, Network, Reset Network. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi after reset. Step 6. Test with a hotspot. Use your phone's mobile hotspot to test if your regular Wi-Fi is the problem. If the TV connects fine to the hotspot, the issue is likely with your home router. Step 7. Contact ISP or Samsung support. If all else fails, your ISP may be blocking Samsung servers, or there could be a firmware server-side issue on Samsung's end. Visit Samsung support. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart fixes to common tech and gadget issues.